Good morning, children. So, children, yesterday we have seen how to draw an angle or how to measure the given angles. Now, let's see with the different types of angles. First is right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. It is point A, B, and it is C. And see, children, so 90 degree is always shown by a small square. So whenever you see this sign, that means what? There is the 90 degree. Got it, beta? So how will you define an angle? Angles of measures. Ninety degree. Is called right angle. So got it, beta? So whenever you see this sign, so it may be like this. See the small square, or it may be like this. So it is also right angle. Means 90 degree angle. Acute angle. Acute angle means angles whose measure lies between 0 to 90. Means all the angles less than 90 degree are acute angle. (60° or X, Y, Z, it is 20°. So see, children, only the right angle is shown by the square and others are square by the arc. So it is what an angle which measures less than a right angle is called acute angle. So got it, beta? An angle whose measure is less than right angle. Is acute angle. Now see, the next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree or more than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree, because 180 degree is known as straight angle. more than a right angle. One 40 degree. 100 degree. An angle which measures more than a right angle but less than 180 degree. Means all the angle which lies between 90 to 180 are obtuse angle. Got it, beta? Now third one is straight angle. Straight. As the name straight, so it is formed in a straight line. So this angle form is straight angle and the measure is 180 degree. So here is also you can say, so see in a straight line always a 180 degree is formed. Okay, 180 degree is always an exact 180, just like a right angle. It is exact 90, not one less than 90 or not more than 90. So like this exact 180 degree is called straight angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle. So reflex angle means it is more than 180 degree but less than 360. So see beta, suppose it is a base of the line 180. 180 means a straight angle, but it is more than 180. So this angle is what? Reflex angle. This outer angle. An angle which measures more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Now the next is complete angle. Complete means one hand complete one rotation or one round. So after rotating one complete round, when two rays coincide with each other, is known as complete angle. And complete angle is of 360 degree. So it is the baseline of the angle and it is another rays. Both the rays coincide with each other after a complete rotation. Now see, here is complete angle. An angle which measures 360 degree is a complete angle. So what it will be? 0 degree means when two rays are as it is without any rotation. Two rays are in the rest position. Means no angle is formed. So it is what? 0 degree angle. Got it better? Okay. Now let's see types of lines. First, intersecting line. Intersect means to meet at a point or to cut is what? Intersect. So when two lines intersect each other at a single point, see, it is line L and it is line N. These two lines intersect each other at this point O. Then two lines are said to be intersecting lines. Got it better? When two lines meet at a single point are known as intersecting lines. Then next is parallel lines. Intersecting lines. Parallel lines. See children, what are the parallel lines? When two lines does not intersect are called parallel lines. Or when they are parallel, why they do not intersect each other? Because the distance between them is always constant. What is the meaning of constant here? Remain same. When the distance between two lines remains same, they are said to be parallel lines. Why? Because they do not intersect each other anymore. See. Line L, line N. Line may be vertical, slanting. When two lines if distance between two lines remains same that is they do not intersect each other. For example, railway tracks, see beta, both the tracks are parallel to each other. Okay, bar of your windows, see the opposite lines of your roof or floor, they are parallel. Got it, children? And the third one is perpendicular lines. So two lines are said to be perpendicular if they form an angle of 90 degree. When two lines intersect each other at 90 degree, see children, here is 90 degree. When two lines at 90 degree are called perpendicular lines. So got it, children? So this all over about the types of lines. Okay, and we will stop over here. Okay, bye bye, beta.